What if building and deploying machine learning models was as easy as writing a few lines of code, clicking just a few buttons, right? What if you could train advanced models without managing complex infrastructure and scale them globally with just a few clicks? Well, that's exactly what Vertex AI promises. So in this video, I'm going to dive into Google Cloud's powerful ML platform, Vertex AI. Now, whether you're a beginner or already familiar with ML tools, this will give you the full picture of Vertex AI is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for modern machine learning. Now, Vertex AI is Google Cloud's unified machine learning platform designed to help developers and data scientists build, train, and deploy and manage machine learning models at scale. Now, it combines AutoML, custom model training, for example, pipelines, feature management, and monitoring into one seamless interface. Now, instead of using multiple disconnected tools, you can manage the entire ML lifecycle in one single place. Let me give you an example to clarify. So imagine you're working in the IT department of a large e-commerce company. Now, your team is responsible for maintaining the back-end systems and customer experience. One of your goals is to build a machine learning model that can predict which customer are likely to stop using your service, and this is called churn prediction. Now, additionally, you would also, or your team wants to handle data cleaning, build and train the model using a framework model like TensorFlow, for example, write custom deployment scripts, and monitor model performance across different environments as well. Now, this process could take weeks or even months. But with Vertex AI, you can streamline the entire workflow in one single interface. You upload your customer data, for example, to the BigQuery or Google Cloud Storage, then use AutoML to turn the churn prediction model, even if your team has limited ML experience. Now, you don't have to worry about infrastructure because the training runs on Google's managed compute resources. Now, after training, you simply deploy the model into an endpoint using Vertex AI and start serving real-time predictions. Now, once deployed, Vertex AI continues to monitor the model's accuracy, right? Now, if performance drops or new data trends emerge, you're alerted automatically. And you can use Vertex pipelines to automatically retrain on schedule, so the model stays fresh and accurate over time. Now, in this manner, Vertex AI helps your IT team deliver a powerful AI solution, right? From raw data to real-time prediction without needing to build everything from scratch. Now, it saves time, reduces complexity, and lets your team focus on improving the business instead of managing infrastructure. Now, Vertex AI is important in machine learning development, right? For example, has been traditionally being fragmented and time-consuming, right? Vertex AI eliminates the complexity by integrating everything into a single platform. It offers, for example, enterprise scalability, pre-built AI tools, and full automation, making it easier to build powerful ML solutions with less effort, fewer errors, and faster results. So, let me give you some features so you know exactly what it is and how it works, right? Several core tools, like AutoML allows you to train high-performance models with minimal coding. Vertex AI Workbench provides a ready-to-work environment for experimenting and building. And the pipelines help automate and track workflows. For example, Feature Store manages usable features across models, however many you have. So model monitoring will detect performance degradation in production. Now, together, these tools give you the total control from start to finish. Now, training ML models on Vertex AI is very easy as well. What it does is supports both AutoML and custom model training at the same time. So, for example, for developers using TensorFlow, if devs are using those, or scikit-learn, it offers flexible training environments with options for CPUs, GPUs, and TPUs at the same time. Now, it also includes hyperparameter tuning to optimize model accuracy. Now, whether you're training on tabular data, text, images, or video, the platform provides scalable, secure infrastructure to handle all of your training jobs. And model deployment serving once trained, your model can be deployed to an endpoint with just a few clicks or API calls. Now, Vertex AI supports real-time predictions in batch inference, right? with built-in traffic splitting, version control, and auto-scaling. All those good features. So you don't need to set up or manage the infrastructure. It's all handled for you, allowing your models to perform consistently, even under heavy load. Now, integration with data, for example, ecosystem, it integrates with other Google Cloud services like BigQuery, Cloud Storage, and Dataflow as well. Now that means your data pipelines, model training, and deployment can all stay within one secure ecosystem. Now it works with structured and unstructured data and can even support streaming data use cases. Let me give you some real-world applications. For example, companies across industries are using Vertex AI for fraud detection, recommendation engines are pretty common, predictive maintenance, and more importantly, natural language processing. For example, retail companies use it to personalize shopping experiences for customers, while healthcare companies use for early disease detection. Now, Vertex AI provides the tools to turn complex data sets into actionable, scalable solutions. Now, the AI enhances the platform. Vertex AI isn't just a tool for building AI, it uses AI internally to enhance its own performance. So, features like automated data labeling, smart model selection, anomaly detection, and workload optimization are all powered by Google's cutting-edge AI infrastructure. Now, this helps you move faster and more accurately and reliability. So, if you want to start with Vertex AI, it's fairly straightforward and simple. You can begin with AutoML with no code or low code projects, or jump into full code-based custom training if you are an experienced developer. Now, the Workbench environment comes with built-in tutorials, have samples, notebooks, and quick start templates to get you started. It's designed to support both experimentation and production scale solutions as well. So here are the key takeaways for this, right? So Vertex AI is more than just a tool. It's a complete ecosystem for modern machine learning projects. Now, whether you're running a startup or leading an enterprise AI team, it provides the speed, flexibility, reliability, and intelligence to move from idea, impact faster. So if you're working with machine learning in the cloud, Vertex AI is the platform you definitely want to explore. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you stay updated with the latest videos that I put up. Thanks for watching. My name is Syed. I'll see you guys next time.